anywhere you dey for the world. Naija na home. Our fine culture, lifestyle, food, passion, Naija na still we own. As day dey break, the Naija spirits go wake, and wey day don dark, and you think say na to sleep remain, na that time the groove just dey start. Because no matter wetin happen, the Naija spirit no go die. This na Naija life.
One wise man talks to make you build your house on top solid rock, and the house go strong kakaraka. But these people for this community, for inside AGO-EGUN, where from inside ILAJE BARIGA, for inside Lagos, build their own house on top water. Now be their own solid rock, now be their own solid foundation. We go follow their talk, make we know wetin make them choose this kind of lifestyle. Onto the show today from Top Naija Life. My name na Kabuchi, and this na Naija Life on top this television station. Make you follow us, watch as we go take follow them talk, and go hear us as they happen from inside their own community. This once again na Naija Life, and this na houses from top water. Make una follow me enter, and we go see as the matter go take be. Onto today's episode, na Kabuchi talk am, and this na your better show for this channel. Oh yeah, now make we go onto the level.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you dey drive motor car or you dey use leg waka on top the Lagos Third Mainland Bridge, you go see say on top the Lagos lagoon wey dey under the bridge, so people dey wey dey live there. That is to say, community dey there wey be say both man, woman, pikin and even animal don dey live there for a very long time. The name of this community na AGO-EGUN community, ILAJE BARIGA. The community dey under BARIGA local council for inside Obodo, Lagos. As this life wey we dey so be, e no get anybody wey be say when day don dark, him no go find somewhere wey him go call house, wey be say this person go fit lie down, rest body and even sleep. For today's episode of your favorite TV documentary show, Naija Life, we go follow look inside houses on water. That is to say, house wey dem build on top water. We wan know the way life take be for under bridge for the people wey be say dem dey live on top water. This community gets population of about 700,000 people wey dey live day and night on top water for a very long time. Na boat making, fishing, tailoring, hunting na im be the major handwork of the people of this community. Also, na two major type of people or ethnic group dey live here. One na the Egun people from Badagry, Lagos, Nigeria, wey dey speak Egun language, and two na the Beninese people wey come from Cotonou, Benin Republic, wey be another country for inside West Africa, and na French dem dey speak.
Deuxième phrase, on dit Baquet amour vante les mérites de la maîtresse. Quel est le verbe conjugué dans la phrase?
I find out say the Bale, that is to say the community head and leader, just kpai e never tey before we come that community wey the man kpai so. However, as English people go take talk am, I met with the next chief wey go become the Bale.
sọ fún mi pé ibi ìsìn that's a.
This place where they see now, now the gutter be that. This gutter, it go forward. Now Yoruba they speak. I say that one, now it go straight. No gutter for here again. As I talk am, oh yeah, make we dey go. Oh yeah, make na camera, make na picture am.
He follow us yarn as life take be for inside this community. The second in command to the Bale wey just kpai so, wey dem dey call Otun Bale, that is the right hand man of the Bale, also tell us the many katakata wey be say the community dey face unto say government don fashi their side tey.
If you know say una just enjoy the video, they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.